Hey guys, how's it going? How to change OnlyFans story settings. Launch the OnlyFans app or visit the website. Tap on your profile icon, okay? And then access the settings menu. Look for the story or privacy settings. Change who can see your story, public or followers only as desired. Make sure to have any changes you make. Make sure to save any changes you make. These steps should help you customize your story settings on OnlyFans. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.